Most people get terrible results from AI because they write terrible prompts. Today I'm giving you 7 copy and paste prompts that actually work. These aren't generic tips. These are specific prompts I use every single week that save me hours of work. Keep watching because prompt number 5 is the one that changed everything for me. Before we jump in, here's the secret to good prompts. Every great prompt has 4 parts. What you want, who you are, what format you need the output in, and what tone to use. When you include all 4, the AI stops giving you generic garbage and starts giving you usable results. Now let's get into the 7 prompts. Prompt number 1, the email drafter. Here it is. You are my professional email assistant. I run a small business that sells, and then describe your product or service. Write a reply to this email, paste the email here, that is professional, friendly, and solves their problem. Keep it under 150 words. This prompt alone saves me at least an hour a week. Instead of crafting every response from scratch, I paste in the customer email and get a solid reply in 5 seconds. I usually just tweak 1 or 2 sentences and hit send. Prompt number 2, the social media generator. Create 5 social media posts for my business. My business is, describe it. My target audience is, describe them. The tone should be your preferred tone. Include a hook, body, and call to action for each post. Format each post separately with a suggested platform. Instead of sitting there trying to think of what to post, you get 5 ready-to-go posts in 30 seconds. I run this prompt once a week and have my social media planned for the next 5 to 7 days. Tweak the results to match your voice and you're done. Prompt number 3, the meeting summarizer. Here is a transcript of my meeting, paste it here. Create a summary with 3 sections. Key decisions made, action items with who is responsible and deadlines, and topics that need follow-up. Keep it concise and use bullet points. After any meeting, I paste the transcript, and in 10 seconds I have a clean summary I can share with my team. No more spending 20 minutes writing up meeting notes. This works with Zoom transcripts, Otter.ai exports, or even your own rough notes. Prompt number 4, the spreadsheet analyzer. I'm pasting data from a spreadsheet, paste your data. Analyze this data and tell me the top 3 insights, any concerning trends, and your recommended next steps. Explain everything in plain language, no jargon. This is incredibly powerful. Paste in your sales data, website analytics, expense reports, or survey results, and get instant analysis. I use this for monthly sales reviews. Instead of spending an hour staring at numbers, I get actionable insights in seconds. The AI spots patterns that I would have missed completely. Prompt number 5, the business plan builder. This is the game changer I mentioned. Act as a business strategy consultant. I'm planning to describe your initiative. My target market is, describe it. My budget is, your budget. My timeline is, your timeline. Create a detailed action plan with phases, milestones, resource requirements, and potential risks. Include specific, actionable steps, not vague advice. Whether you're launching a product, entering a new market, or planning a campaign, this prompt gives you a structured plan that would normally take a consultant days to produce. I've used it for product launches, marketing campaigns, and expansion plans. The quality of the output is genuinely impressive. Prompt number 6, the content repurposer. I have this piece of content, paste it here. Repurpose it into the following formats. A LinkedIn post under 300 words. 3 Twitter or X posts under 280 characters each. An email newsletter intro paragraph. A YouTube video script outline. This one prompt turns one piece of content into 4 different formats for 4 different platforms. I use it every time I publish a blog post or video. One creation session becomes a full week of content across every platform. Prompt number 7, the customer research prompt. Act as a market research analyst. My business sells, describe it. 2. Describe your audience. Identify the top 5 pain points my customers likely have, what they've probably tried before, what objections they might have to my product, and the emotional triggers that drive their purchasing decisions. Format this as a detailed profile. This prompt gives you customer insights that normally require expensive surveys or focus groups. I run it whenever I'm planning new marketing campaigns, and the insights directly improve my ad copy, email sequences, and product positioning. Those are the 7 prompts. Copy them, paste them, and start saving hours this week. If you want me to do a deep dive on any of these, or if you have a specific task you want a prompt for, drop it in the comments. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss next week's video. See you then.